A warm welcome to everyone from the Sales Panda team. We are launching a video series where we will provide you insights into how to perform digital marketing effectively. In this particular segment of our series, we will learn step by step on how to perform Facebook marketing. I want to talk about what makes Facebook a very important part of the overall digital marketing strategy. Why should we market on Facebook? Facebook can help you build your brand, generate leads for you, and be an effective medium to communicate with your prospective customers. Let's look at some stats about Facebook. It is the world's third most visited website with 2.14 billion active users. Facebook Messenger app is the fourth, and the Facebook app is the fifth most downloaded app from the Play Store. 74% of users log in daily on Facebook and spend 38 minutes every day on Facebook on an average. If we look at India in particular, 281 million users were on Facebook in 2018, and this number is expected to reach 444.2 million by 2023. Out of these, majority users fall between 18 to 44 years of age. The numbers are staggering even if we look at specific features of Facebook. 1.4 billion people use Facebook groups, whereas 300 million share stories on daily basis. These stats prove one thing for sure. Your target audience is there on Facebook. So, it becomes necessary for you to learn about Facebook marketing. This will enable you to target your prospective customers there. Let us understand the difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page. We will also be creating a Facebook page for your professional use. According to Facebook, a profile is a place on Facebook where you can share information about yourself, such as your interests, photos, videos, current city, and hometown. On the other hand, pages are places on Facebook where artists, public figures, businesses, brands, organizations, and non-profits can connect with their fans or customers. In fact, if you want to run ads on Facebook, you can run them only if you have a Facebook page. It is against the Facebook terms to use a Facebook profile for businesses' professional use. So, in similar terms, profile is for your personal use and page is for your business or professional use. Your Facebook page is linked to your Facebook profile. Anyone with a profile can create a page. We can like or follow a page to get updates about that page. A page can be of any business, organization, and public figures. Let us now look at how we can create a Facebook page. Let's first log in to the Facebook profile. Once we are logged in, we can open Other tab and type in this URL https://www.facebook.com/pages/create. As you can see here, we get two different options. Option 1 is to create a page if you are a business or a brand. And option 2 is to create a page if you are a community or a public figure. You may choose the option that is most appropriate for you. The steps for page creation and settings for either of the options are almost the same. Let us select option 2, that is, create a page if you are a community or a public figure. Now, choose a name for the page and select the category of your business. Let's click on Continue. The next step is to add a profile picture. You may add your logo, or if you don't have a logo, at least add your own latest picture, which will make it possible for your audience to identify that it's your page. Then add a cover photo. It's a banner image that you can see on the right hand side of your profile picture. Now your page is set up. We still have to make changes to it and add relevant details. The next step is to create a username for your page. So let's choose a username. Username should be at least 5 characters long and can only contain alphanumeric characters, that is A to Z, 0 to 9, and periods like a full stop. They can't contain generic terms or extensions such as .com or .net. Facebook creates a unique URL for your page using the username you have given to your page. Now, let's look at the Add button option. It is used to define a call to action for the users visiting your page. You can choose any of the options. You can also change it if you wish to at a later stage. The next step is to go to the About section and add relevant details. You can add your contact number, email address, website URL, and also add links to your other social media accounts like your WhatsApp number, Instagram account, or your YouTube, etc. In the More Info section, add a summary of your page. You have a limit of 255 characters. Add a very brief description of your business. You may add what products or services you offer as well. On the right-hand side, there is Our Story. This is a place where you can explain details about your business, its journey, major milestones, achievements, awards, etc. Make it interesting and engaging for the reader to go through it. Now, you can start inviting your friends to like your page. Make sure you don't miss out on inviting people from your friends list who are your prospective customers. Facebook also offers another way to create your page, wherein you can migrate your profile to create a page. It is a simple 3-step process. First, type this URL, which is https://www.facebook.com/pages/create/migrate in a separate tab and hit enter. Next, click on the Get Started button. Then select the relevant category that most aptly describes your business. Click on Next. Select the friends that you want to convert to your page followers. You may select all and click Next. Select the videos and photos that you want to showcase on your page. Click Next, then click on the Create Page button. Keep this page open till you can see the Publish option on the top of the page. Depending upon the number of followers you have selected, it may take a while for this step to complete. Click on Publish to make your page publicly visible. Your page is created. Now, you can start adding relevant details with respect to your business. Now, your page is ready and you can start posting content. If you are thinking about what to post, then see our next video in this series that specifically provides you an answer about what to post. This video is created by Team Sales Panda. Sales Panda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents, and dealers. Sales Panda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals, including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. Sales Panda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.